I'm not going to spoil anything else about Scrapyard Wars 9, but I was searching for... what was I searching for?
I was doing a similar thing.
It was some application that I needed. Was it FrameView? No. I was trying to turn off sleep.
Yeah. Yes.
I searched for sleep in Windows search.
I remember what you got too.
Dude, no, you didn't see my screen though.
No, but I heard you.
It literally wasn't even there. It was not one of the results. So I searched for sleep and pressed enter because, that should probably bring up, power control and sleep and all that.
And it would have back in the day.
And instead, it loaded up Sleep Country fucking Canada, which is a terrible, terrible website.
Why buy a mattress anywhere else,
bad mattresses.
Because there's better deals and better mattresses, maybe.
Exactly. Got them.
That was funny, though.
Roasted.
We were instructed to do that at the same time. I type in sleep, and at the same time I hear, Sleep Country Canada! That was so good. That was one of the highlights. It's a very...
It's going to put a lot of pressure on our editors, but this is the best season ever.
Season 4 has a pretty special space in my heart.
That was with Bob and Rod, right?
It's going to be tough.
It is the best season ever.
Okay. It's
You haven't seen my side yet.
No. And even just seeing my side is going to be very strong. So I could see it. I just, season 4 is kind of a little special to me, at least. I don't know. It
is the best season ever.
All right.
I'm very excited. And you know what? The editing team's going to do a great job, and I'm not worried about that.
There's a few moments, and again, I won't go into them, but there's a few moments, especially synchronized moments, that I think are going to be insane to see in the edit. Like, just absolutely nuts to see in the edit. And there's not one, there's a few. So,
yeah it's going to be great.